Students of class 10th. Student, today we have a new topic: manage workbook views from section 6, chapter spreadsheet intermediate, from unit 3. The student, earlier we studied about page layout. In that we have seen about the settings of the page, orientation, size, scaling, and page settings. The student, but today we will understand about the manage workbook views. So let's have a video, and in this video I will tell you many things related to the section 6. You can see this is a section 6, manage workbook views. Student, in this video we will talk about the types of views in the spreadsheet: normal view, page layout view, page break preview, custom views, full screen. As a student, we have talked about in earlier video about the normal view and page layout view. I think page layout view, that was the video related, but we will talk about these all thing one by one related to the section number 6: the page break preview, custom views, and in the end of the views we will talk about full screen. So let have a look about these all thing by the spreadsheet, because we have a need of the spreadsheet to tell about all this thing. The student, you can see here, this is a given the spreadsheet, and in this we can understand properly about how can we see the view, different views here. So by default we get here the normal view. Whatever you are looking on the screen, that is a normal view. The student, we can see here these are three buttons given. First button, it is related to the normal view. Normal view by default view of the spreadsheet, that is a worksheet, and here we can see all things one by one here, like as related to the all the details of the thing. And now page layout. Page layout means, as I told you earlier about the page layout, in that we can set the orientation and margin of the page, how much you want a margin and how want to give the margin for your page here. You can see here same thing here, the page here preview, here page preview. In that we can get the idea of the page, how it would be after the printing. And student, in this we can see also here the page break preview. Page break preview means it this give us idea about the breaking of the page, means how much data will be okay out, will be on the printer. I mean, when you get the hard copy, so how much data will be printed. So it means here has a, you can see it is a breaked by here 24, means 24 here it is shows the from the first page, and it is a total data here is a 36. So it means it is here the break from the second page starting from the 25, and it is a in the from the first page. But you according to your need, means like we want to set the 15 number of the products in the first page and rest of the in the second page. So we can set by here the page break preview. The page break preview gives the idea how much data will print on the first page and in the second page. So this way we can get idea. Now let's come back to the here as a preview option, the page preview as a page layout, and this is a page break preview. So now let's see here the all the view in the view tab. The view tab we find here first normal, as I showed you, page break preview, you are looking here, and this is a normal view by default view. as page layout and custom views. The student, first we talk here about the page, I mean normal view. Then after we talked about page break, and now page layout. As I told you about the page layout, ki page layout, it is a set of the page orientation and margin and here the data, ki how much data you want to print. Now we talk here about the custom views also. Custom views is a total different from these three views. Okay, so first we come back the normal view to for understanding here the custom views. Suppose we have these data, and you can see here serial number, item name, quantity, cost price. So these are the data here, as you can see properly, and we can see here the total as written here some data related to. And by the custom views we can set the different views according to our needs here. Suppose we have a show the data like to the customer and to the manager and myself. So here, as you can see, quantity, cost price, here quantity and cost price multiply by here, and GST, I mean tax, it is included the 12%. So quantity CP multiply and then plus add the 12%. And now here total selling price is a different here. We purchase here 125 for one quantity of pen drive, but we are selling here 143 rupees 75 paise. And total if we purchase, okay, 125 at the rate of the as a 153.75, then we will get here 17,986. But if we purchase as a 125 rupees, then it will be cost 15,640. So for this we can here set these things related to the customer and related to the manager according to our views, according to our needs we can set here. So for the customer we do not show here selling price and here the total, means here the cost price and tax including the total. We show here the selling price, item and total and quantity. So let's have a, we will hide CP, tax means cost price, tax and total we will hide, make hide, and selling price and item total and quantity only for here the customer. So we see here कि it is a different in selling price and cost price is a different here. So it means this is not for the as a customer cost price and tax and total only. This is a selling price and it is a total. Suppose one customer, customer purchase one pen drive, so then that one pen drive will have a 143 rupees 75 paise, and that customer purchase 125 pieces, so then it will be a cost 17,986. So for the customer we will hide here the cost price, tax and total. We will show quantity, selling price and total. But for the manager we will not show here the like a tax, I mean selling price, total. So now we can set here as a for the as I have written here the item name, quantity, cost price, tax. So let's have a custom view. So now make as a custom view for myself if we want to see. So now we can make here for myself here views, normal view as a given here. So let's have a here the custom view for myself. First view we will create for myself here. So now click on the custom views and here we write this view for myself. So we add here as a it is a no any here click on the add and write first for first view for myself. Whenever we have a need then we can open it. So as we will click, I mean we write here name we give here the myself. For myself means whenever we need we can see all the things, but for the boss and customer we will show the different here. So for the customer we have a not need to show here the cost price, tax and total. So we will hide this. So now select it and right click button, and here hide this 3 columns, and now it is a for the customer. So let's save the these view for the customer. When the customer come and want to see the record of the, when we can show here the customer view, we save here for the customer, click on the custom view, and here we add a for the customer view. So now I write for the customer. Okay, so then we write for here the customer, and now the customer and anytime if come and want to see the record, so we will show this view from the custom views. The only it will show the custom here, as you can say hide and unhide, as I told you here. So this record will show to the customer. But as for the boss, for the manager, we will show the different views. Means first we unhide here for the boss. Suppose boss asking the data, okay, so we will show here only the quantity and cost price, not these all here. So these we will say for boss custom views, and we will add the third view here for the boss, the manager. We write here manager for showing this record. So now we have now 3 views. We can save according to our needs and according to our here choice here. So like here customer custom views gives us the facility to save the different views. So now as of myself, on the myself or the customer, it will show for the customer here, and for the okay boss, it will show for the boss here, and now it for the as a customer, I mean for the manager, we will click on the manager, it will show the for the manager. Means this will show only quantity and cost price. So this way we can save the different views for the different needs. The student understand about these what I told you here. And now next here we find the new windows arrange the all the things as a record. But here first we click on the myself to show the all the record here. For understanding the new windows let us to open a new workbook here. So click on the new windows for opening a new workbook. So click, if you click, we find here the new book. As you can see here, two book, same section 6.1 you can see here, and here it is a 6.2. It is a child workbook means this is a parent 6.1. And let to move here uh, for the next sheet. Means what is the use, I will tell you. But you can see it is a child sheet of child workbook of the main sheet, means parent sheet. So let's arrange here the all, means in which way you want to see the sheet. As I have clicked here, I mean created here 3 sheet, means 2 it's a child sheet. Childs means one sheet, 6.1 it will be the parents. Now we can see, click on the tiles, arrange all the arrange from the arrange option. So we can see here there are 3 windows of the spreadsheet we can see on the screen. And now first you can see this is here the 6.2, and this is a 6.1, and this is here you can see 6.3. So whatever you want to here change, means like here as I deleted, you can see in the child sheet also it is a going change. Now if we delete here as a and change the other quantity, automatically will be changed in the child sheet, means 6.2. And means these all here 3 sheets has a now same property. Means if we change any in any sheet, so automatically will change in the 3 sheets. The student now see here what is the use of the new windows. So let's see here, click on the new windows, and now we have a two sheet here set by according the arrange. So these you can see now divided into two parts the screen. The first here as a 6.1 and second is a 6.2. Now first we copy here this record sheet 1, and you can see 6.2 this is here, and sheet 2 means same sheet, same workbook, but we are looking here sheet 2. So now it copy and paste in the sheet 2, means we are pasting in the same sheet, but we are looking here sheet 2 of the parent sheets. So now you can see if you click on the 6.2 sheet 2, so you will find what we copied here, I mean paste here, we find in the same parent sheet in the sheet 2. Let's see here. We click here sheet 2, we find same here what I told you. Okay, this is a parent. If you change in any sheet, in any workbook, means sheet uh, section C.1, section C.2, section C.3, if you change anyone, so automatically change in three sheets here, like here data. So if it's a one sheet, you copy then paste here. If there will be two sheet, then automatically you can arrange very easily, means you have not opened to the sheet 1 sheet 2, automatically here copy and let right hand side paste it. So it is very easy to use, it is a very easy, and it is very you can say ki whenever you get a time you can do it very easy way here. The student, as you can see ki what today I told you. Okay student, now whatever we have understood about, I mean I tried to tell you that was the related to your book, and this is a way of practical to make you understand, because you can understand better way and you can use these information, use this study in a practical way. That's why I showed you all things in a practical. The student, seriously, do all this thing at your home also. Please keep reading and watch the video. Okay student, thank you so much.